In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete old emails in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and going to your inbox. Make sure you are viewing the main inbox list where your messages appear in the center of the screen. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, confirm you are in the correct one before you delete anything. This is important because deletions will apply to the account you are currently signed into. Once you are in the inbox, look toward the top right area of the email list near the message navigation controls. You will see the message count and the page controls that let you move through your inbox. Click directly on the number shown there, which represents how many conversations are currently listed or available on that page view. This opens the control you need to change how the inbox is sorted. Next, choose Oldest. This changes the inbox order so your oldest messages show up first. This is the key setting if your goal is to clean out older email, because it brings the messages you likely no longer need right to the top of the list. After you select Oldest, give Gmail a moment to refresh so the ordering updates. Now you will begin selecting the emails you want to remove. In the email list, click the selection area for the messages you want to delete. This is the highlight or checkbox area next to each email. Each time you click, that email becomes highlighted and is added to your selection. Continue clicking the highlight area for additional emails, one by one, to build the group you plan to delete. As you select messages, move carefully and double-check the sender and subject line so you do not accidentally include something important. If you select the wrong message, click its highlight area again to unselect it. Keep repeating this selection process, clicking the highlight area for each old email you want to clear out, until you have highlighted everything you plan to remove in this pass. Taking a moment to review your highlighted selection before you delete can save you time later, and that is all there is to it.